Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday when we were discussing about gold, it was trading around 2630 and now it is trading at 2660 after making a high of 2670. And goal is unstoppable. Goal is flying to space, and there is no doubt about it. And still, there is no sign of trend reversal yet that we all have been waiting for. Remember when gold was trading around 2400, 2300? We all were waiting for trend reversal. It did not come, and gold started flying again. So that's why it is said that trend is very important in market. If you really want to survive in market or trading, you need to respect the trend of the market. And right now trend is bullish, so to make money, to survive, we will have to follow the trend of the market until and unless the trend reversal comes. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that still 65% retail traders are holding their sell position and the average sell price is 2488. So my dear friend, when will you exit if you're holding a sell? Because if gold continues the upside, then you will lose your whole capital. I don't understand why people try to go for reversal trades when they can easily follow the trend of the market. Okay. Yes, I know that it gives us a thrill, it gives us the adrenaline rush, but right now there is no sign of trend reversal yet. Okay, during the day, if market forms a big red candle and starts falling, if we take a sell position, then that's a different story. But when we do not have any sign yet, okay, so taking a sell position in this market hoping for a trend reversal, okay, is high risk, and hope cannot be a trading strategy, isn't it? And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold set for fresh highs. Gold rises to record high on interest rate cuts and international geopolitical tension. Gold climbed to a fresh record mid-afternoon on Tuesday, rising for a fifth day following last week's cut to interest rates and increasing violence in the Middle East. You can see heightened geopolitical tensions increase the appeal of the precious metal. As we all know, whenever there is a crisis in the world, gold starts flying. Okay, so we can expect that in the next few days also gold will remain bullish because there is geopolitical tension going on. So stay in touch with the news. Any escalation will bring huge amount of upside on the chart of gold. And right now there is no limit to it, because if we look at the data also, my dear friend, you can see at 2700, okay, we do not have much contracts and the number of present contracts are also reducing. 2750 can be a resistance for us. 2750 I don't want to even talk about it. So please be careful. If gold continues the upside, respect the trend of the market and try to be on the buy position only. And if you're having a sell, then please try to exit if gold breaks the present high of 2670. Again, I'm repeating, if gold breaks the present high of 2670, please try to exit from your sell position, because if you do not exit at the right moment, you will lose your capital. There is a problem. And right now there is no sign of trend reversal yet. So till then, we need to follow the trend of the market, because taking a sell hoping for a reversal is a very foolish decision. Okay, we should not forget that we are talking about our hard-earned money. If you do a job, you need to go to the office for 1 month, then you get a salary after 1 month. If you have a business, then you work hard each and every day to earn this money. So you cannot just blow it like this, isn't it? So right now, if you have any buy going on, continue with the buy position, because this is gold. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at retracement is better and safer for us. So today also we will be looking at few retracement levels. First of all, 2652 2650 is the first level where we can look for a buy at retracement. Is this a major level? Not a major level, but yes, during the European session, Asian session, if the volume is low, we can expect market to bounce from this area. The second support is around 2646, this area, and then 2640, third level, 265250, 2646, then 2640. Let me show you why we are considering all these levels. So market is super bullish, so we are considering our beloved FIBO here. So we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around 2652 area, and 50 is a round number, so we are considering 265250 as a zone in the market. And we have 2646 where we have FIBO 50% retracement level, and we are considering 264041 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and most importantly we have the 50 moving average coming up as well. So if you ask me, that personally I think 2640, 2641, 2642, this area will be a sweeter position. But if market doesn't come, then obviously we cannot help it, isn't it? It's not in our hand. So we can also look for buy around the other levels as well. Again, I'm repeating, if you're looking for a fresh position, try to buy at retracement. That will be a safer thing to do. But as we all know, this is gold. Gold is stubborn. Gold is arrogant. Gold sometimes never comes. Sometimes not never. Sometimes gold doesn't come for a retracement. Okay, so if that happens, then obviously what we can do is we can look for a buy at breakout above 2671. But buying at breakout in this situation is high risk, because gold has not come for a proper correction for a long time. So buying at breakout is high risk, but yes, we can go for it if market doesn't come for retracement, but follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital, because if suddenly market drops, then you will be at trouble. Okay, again I'm repeating my recurrence every time, saying right now gold is trading in a very fragile zone. Right now gold is trading in a zone where anything may happen. Suddenly we may see that gold is going down. It may happen. Okay, so be careful. Okay, personally I think that around 27, sorry, not 27, around, I think that around 2680 to around 2700 we may get to see some correction. Okay, I don't think that gold will be heading towards 2750 directly. There will be some stoppages, there will be some correction in between. So around 2680, 2700 we may get to see some correction. Maybe, okay, I will go for a risky sell position if I see that there is a possibility of a trend reversal. But till then, stay on the buy side, because there is no sign of retracement, and stay in touch with the news. Any news from the Middle East will again make gold fly. Okay, if any big news comes out, then obviously you need to forget about reversals. Just stay on the buy side, respect the trend of the market. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.